Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make high and low circle flare top. High and low flare circle top. You'll be needing your fabric, tailor's chalk, scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Fold again into triangular form. Input your shoulder measurements as seen here. Input your neck measurements as seen here. Input your armhole measurements as seen here. Mark the top length that you want. Slope the shoulder by 1 inch as seen here. Input your bust measurement on the chest line and cut out. It should look like this after cutting. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.